Question 18, we've got a quadrilateral and we're asked to calculate its area. I'm going to split this into area 1 and area 2 and deal with them separately. Well, area 1 is a triangle. We've got two sides and an included angle, so we can use the formula of a half AB sine C. You get the idea that the angle is a sandwich between two sides. So let's work this out. In our case, this is a half. A times B, 9 times 12 is 108, sine of 60 degrees. So this is equal to 54 multiplied by the sine of 60 is root 3 over 2, which is equal to 27 root 3. And that's the first important result. Okay, let's deal with area 2. Now, area 2, we can't play the same trick unless we find the dimension of AC. Let's call this x. If we can find that, we can apply the half AB sine Sine rule again to area 2. So to find x, we can go back to the first triangle and apply the cosine rule. We can't apply the sine rule because we don't have a side angle opposite pair. So I can say that x squared is equal to these two squared separately, so that's 81 plus 144 minus 2 multiplied by these two multiplied together, which is 108 cos of 60. And this turns out to be 117. And that's x squared, of course. And therefore, x is equal to the square root of 117. I always say it, we're rejecting the negative version of the square root because x is clearly a positive entity. Okay, now we can apply the sine area rule to area 2. So therefore I can say area 2 equals half AB sine C. So it's a half multiplied by the square root of 117 multiplied by the 7 and then the sine of 84 degrees. Whack your calculator out and that turns out to be 37.6508 and on it goes. And that's the second important result. So the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the addition of these two answers, and we get, and if you also reduce it to three significant figures, we get 84.4 centimeters squared. And that's your answer.